Hello, it's Zombie Man here. Today I will show you an amazing Blu-ray box. This is Conan Chronicles. I will show you what is inside in this box. This is the first time this movie is made 1984 and this is the first time it's in 4K resolution, and it's the box with two films, Conan the Barbarian and Conan the Destroyer. There is a book, King Conan, probably the last times of Conan when he's King Conan. About that, it's the last chapter in this nice book, and there's two posters. This is fantastic Arnold Schwarzenegger. This is Conan Destroyer, the second part. I like the Conan the Barbarian. That's the 1984 movie, and that's just I like it more. This is more like fantasy movie. This Conan Destroyer. It's this one, and this was from the year. Actually, I was wrong. This is 1982, the first one, and this is 1984, this Destroyer. Okay. Inside the Destroyer there is postcards, some kind of pictures, production pictures, something like that. Yes, this is quite a nice package, and wasn't too expensive. I think it was like 60 or 70 euros, I think. I have to check. I can put the information in here. Here is the information. This is the second, this is the first, 1982, from year 1982, so 42 years ago this was made, and this is the better one. This is the Conan the Barbarian. So this inside here is this production images of this advertisement of this Arrow video, other products, and here is what is this? This is the King Osiris, King Tulsa-Doom, of course. Tulsa-Doom, the guy. The bad guy, James Earl Jones, was acting his role. This is the poster, of course. This is Arnold Conan, and he's on the marketplace. This is the Tulsa-Doom's temple. Great scenery, great design. And this is Conan, Arnold doing the this kind of sword fighting practice in the beach. Famous scene in the movie. The last fight in the graveyard of heroes, and there's like these big stones, like Stonehenge stones, and they fight between those stones. This is the some in the graveyard the king's daughter is tied to the big stone in the center of the graveyard. Inside the package was a poster, of course, from Conan the Barbarian. It's a Arnold on the beach practicing sword fighting. And on the other side is the poster, a classic, like Frank Frazetta style almost, but this is by Casaro. Great art. And by the way, talking about art and Frank Frazetta, I must show you this shirt. This shirt is exactly for this occasion. This is Conan shirt, and this shirt is from Frazetta Girls. It's the granddaughters of Frank Frazetta, and they have their own company and they sell these Frank Frazetta themed clothing. I would recommend go there, buy that merch. Yes, and the picture quality in this, I haven't looked at this destroyer, but Barbarian looks very good. Colors are very, they are back to like brightness. They are more bright than in DVD or VHS. I've seen VHS and DVD and all kinds of format of this movie. And the story is very well written. If you like sword magic and this fantasy movies like sword fighting and violence and horror and these kind of things, then you should look at this film. This is one of the best of the genre. And this is not so good, but still, I should see this again. I've seen this sequel about just 3 or 4 times, so it's not so fresh in my mind. And music, of course, I have to say that music in both of these is by Basil Poledouris. I don't think he has done so many soundtracks for other movies, so this is his most famous soundtrack, definitely. This was directed by Richard Fleischer, this Conan Destroyer. I think Richard Fleischer has been visiting in Sodankylä Midnight Sun Film Festival, the greatest film festival in the world. Go there or be square. And remember to like and subscribe. Bye bye. You hear, this is the great music of Conan the Barbarian. This is you first choose the version of the film, like there's a like theatrical cut and the international cut and the extended cut. Let's try. Let's try this music is by Basil Poledouris. If I remember correctly, Poledouris is his name. Extended. Special choose setup. Audio. play film. Every good movie should start with a Nietzsche quote.
Between the time when the oceans drank Atlantis and the rise of the sons of Arius, there was an age undreamed of. And unto this, Conan, destined to bear the jeweled crown of Aquilonia upon a troubled brow. It is I, his chronicler, who alone can tell thee of his saga. Let me tell you of the days of high adventure.
It's the classic start of the film. Basil Poledouris. Let's go closer if there is any. Of course, it's about the picture quality is about the data projector or video projector, and it's not so clear, so close from the so close distance, but I would say it's quite good. 4K it should be. Now soon there will be a Arnold's friend Franco Columbo will be also in this film. He's in a short role. He's this guy who's running. I think he's Franco Columbo. Yeah, this is the